Hi guys, today we're going to learn how to use the ChatGPT group chat feature. First of all, unlock your phone so you can access everything easily. This is the basic step. But yeah, without unlocking your device, you can't move forward. So just use your PIN, Face ID, or whatever you normally use. Now, go to your home screen and open the ChatGPT app. Once it opens, you'll land on the main chat screen where all your conversations appear. This is where we'll start the process. After opening the app, tap on New Chat. This will start a fresh conversation screen. It's important because group chat settings usually start from a new chat session. Now look at the top right side of the screen. If the group chat feature is available on your account, you'll see a paper or plus icon. Tap on it and this will open the group chat option. Once you tap the icon, a menu will appear. From there, select Create Group Chat. This will generate a group chat link that you can share with others. Now you'll see an option to copy or share the link. Just copy it or directly share it with your friends. Anyone with this link can join your ChatGPT group chat. If you don't see this option, don't worry. This feature may not be available on all accounts yet. Try updating the app first. In some cases, it may be available only for premium users or selected accounts. So yeah, that's how you can use the ChatGPT group chat feature if it's available on your account. If this helped you, make sure to subscribe for more updates and drop a comment if you want more tutorials like this. See you in the next video.